Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Coffee time with pandesal. Alright. Saan ba lang lagay? There. Good morning everyone. Pandesal. 3 pesos each only. See? We're gonna put in the coffee so that pandesal will be clean, okay? Then, just do like this.
Good morning.
We here in Philippines, we wash first the bread before we eat. Yeah, just like that. Okay? See. Just repeat. Just like that. Okay? Delicious. Wash first the bread before you eat. Okay? Just simple like that. See? Then drink the coffee. Okay, good morning everyone. Here's my daughter. She's getting ready to go to school, okay? You see this? Oh, too small, 3 pesos. See? And again, we'll wash again our pandesal. Of course, eat again, okay?
Dip, eat, repeat.
Huh?
Dip, eat, repeat.
How about you there? Anong almusal ninyo? Pa-comment naman kami kung anong almusal nyo. Diba? So simple to us. We just dip the pandesal. Dip and dip and dip and dip. See? Okay? Then, smack. Bye everyone. Please like, comment, okay? What's your for breakfast? Hi from cooking everybody. Love you all. Bye-bye.